flight to Agartala Tripura passenger. आजकल प्रिंट मीडिया all actions we have taken due to the ongoing flight disruption at Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport, Agartala. Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport, Agartala has been playing a proactive role in monitoring the ongoing situation involving disruption to Indigo flight operation from 29th November to 9th December 2025. During this period, a total of 39 Indigo flights were cancelled. While this has caused inconvenience to passengers, airport teams have been working continuously to support all affected passengers. At Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport, Agartala, we are taking all actions to minimize the discomfort to the passengers, affected passengers. To cope up with the situation, Airports Authority of India, Agartala team, along with the CISF, airlines and other stakeholders, has arranged additional seating capacity. The first more important is the flight cancellations happens. So what is the first requirement? The passengers should able to find a seating place. So for that we increase the seating capacity inside and outside the terminal building. Enhanced sanitation measures were implemented with extra care to ensure proper cleaning of toilets. क्योंकि definitely load passengers का toilets पे जाता है, तो we have ensured that cleanliness. Drinking water facility along with snacks and beverages were arranged for the passengers. Food and beverages outlets were instructed to remain open until last flight. Maintain essential supplies and the more important, ensure price remain unchanged. The passenger should not be charged more than the normal rates. This we have ensured. As per the information received from Indigo, baggage delivery, जो passengers का baggage missing थे, that has been completed for all impacted flights. All the passengers, those baggages which were not delivered to passengers are delivered and completed. Number 2, refund for the cancelled flights have been processed up to 9th December. Yesterday तक all the refund have been processed. Passengers got their refund to their respective accounts. On-time performance of Indigo Airlines were affected, but however, now Indigo is maintaining 100% on-time performance since 7 December 2025 at Agartala Airport. On 10th, means today, Indigo is operating an additional flight also for Delhi to accommodate the number of passengers because of the cancellation. जो backlog हो गया था, Indigo is operating an extra flight to direct to Delhi also. Agartala Delhi, sir. Agartala Delhi. Fare is again the government is taking action on that. But at Agartala Airport, what we are able to do, we are not allowing any concessionaire to charge any extra for food and beverages. That we ensured at our airport.
10 फ्लाइट तो अभी चल रहा है या पहले भी 10 फ्लाइट ही था या
11 flights per day. Indigo 11 arrivals, 11 departures, total 22 movements. Out of that, from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, they are maintaining 10 arrivals and 10 departures.
एक फ्लाइट कम हुआ,
एक फ्लाइट कम. 9 दिसंबर.
पैसेंजर कितना परेशानी हुआ? ये जो
cancellation का on average 150 passenger per flight you can take, 39 multiplied by 150 passengers, around 6,000 passengers approximately got affected.
तो आज तो एक फ्लाइट दे रहे हैं आप लोग
एक्स्ट्रा
से
दे रहे हैं करें।
तो बाकी जो बैकलॉग है उन लोगों का के लिए स्पेशल कुछ फ्लाइट वगैरह
स्पेशल फ्लाइट्स नहीं किया उन्होंने, दे गॉट द रिफंड एंड दे गॉट द ऑल्टरनेट अरेंजमेंट डन। अगर अभी हमारे एयरपोर्ट में देयर इज नो बैकलॉग, ऐसा कोई पैसेंजर, नो स्ट्रैंडेड एयरक्राफ्ट, नो स्ट्रैंडेड पैसेंजर, नो स्ट्रैंडेड बैगेज, we don't have any stranded passenger, the passenger is not waiting for his flight at Agartala airport, we have accommodated, they have all been taken care.
अभी क्या इंडिगो ने पूरा सर्विस शुरू कर दिया या अभी भी कुछ?
Up to 15th, today is 10th, they are maintaining, Indigo they are having 11 flights every day, they are maintaining 10 flights every day now. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 schedule has been announced and they are maintaining 10 flights arrival, 10 flights departure. The schedule is maintained up to 15th.
सर देखा जा रहा है फ्लाइट सिंगल
day to accommodate the left out passengers. All other flights, all other airlines are operating normal, उसमें कोई effect नहीं है। Airport Authority of India team at Maharaja Bir Vikram Airport continue to coordinate with all stakeholders to stabilize operations and ensure smooth passenger movement. ये हमारा commitment towards passenger. All the agencies working at the airport are coordinating with each other, are working with only one aim, that passengers should not face any inconvenience at the airport. We are ensuring that 100%. Rather than if security agencies, rather the airlines, rather the cleaning and this concessionaires, all agencies are working with only one aim, no passenger should face any inconvenience. And we are committed to the passengers' comfort. Once they come to the airport, that time the passenger should feel that he is being taken care. Thank you.